On the job, if your QuickBooks working file, which is located in the working copies folder, becomes corrupt and therefore unusable, you would need to restore your last backup copy file, which of course is found in your backup copies folder. Remember, when we back up a company file, QuickBooks compresses the backup file. This makes it smaller in order to save space. It also means the file cannot be used unless you uncompress the file using QuickBooks Restore feature. This Restore feature found in QuickBooks takes a backup copy of your choosing, which will be in the backup copies folder. It uncompresses it and saves it as a QBW or a working file in the location of your choice. We will be restoring our backup copies to our working copies folder. Let's get started on restoring a backup. I'm going to switch to QuickBooks. The first step we do when we restore a backup is we click on File, Open or Restore a Company. We want to restore a backup copy, so we're going to choose this option. We're going to click Next, and it's asking us where is this backup that we want to restore. Is it a local one or is it an online backup? Well, ours is a local backup found on our flash drive, so we choose Local Backup, we click Next, and it's saying in our backup copies folder, which of these files, and we only have one in this case, do we want to restore? So we single click this file, we click Open, and it says where do you want to restore the file? To tell it where we want to restore it, we click Next. And now this is the part that many students miss. We do not want to put or restore the file back in the original files copy. We want to change this to the working copies folder. So to do that, we go back to our main folder, we select our working copies folder, and we click Open. And then the last thing we need to do is we need to change the CH1 to EX for exercise 1. Add your name, and then press Save. Before you press Save, just double check that you are saving it in the working copies folder. QuickBooks closes the current file that we had open. It's restoring the data. And it's putting it in the working copies folder. And then it tells us that our data has been restored successfully. Now if you want to check the location of this file, one way to do that is you click on File, click on Open Previous Company, and the very first line is always the file that is currently open. Notice that it has restored the backup copy and put it in our working copies folder, which is what we wanted.